Click on the link below to get price. The Generac 18kW home standby generator is a powerful and reliable solution for homeowners looking to maintain electricity during outages. This generator stands out for its robust features, ensuring peace of mind when the lights go out. With a capacity of 18 kilowatts, it can effectively power essential household appliances, heating, and cooling systems, making it suitable for larger homes or those with high energy demands. One of the most impressive features of the Generac 18 kilowatts is its cellular connectivity. This allows users to monitor the generator's status remotely via a smartphone app, providing real-time updates on its operational status and any necessary maintenance alerts. This convenience is particularly valuable for those who travel frequently or wish to keep an eye on their home systems from afar. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the user-friendly design and clear instructions. Generac also offers professional installation services, which helps ease the process for those who may not be comfortable with DIY projects. The unit operates quietly and efficiently, reducing noise pollution compared to older generator models. Its automatic transfer switch ensures a seamless transition of power in case of an outage, allowing you to continue your daily activities without interruption. In terms of durability, the Generac 18 kilowatts is built to withstand harsh environmental conditions, featuring a corrosion-resistant enclosure that enhances its longevity. Regular maintenance reminders through the app keep the generator in optimal working condition, ensuring reliability when you most need it. Fuel efficiency is another highlight, as the generator runs on natural gas or liquid propane, providing flexibility in fuel choices. Additionally, Generac's customer service is commendable, with a supportive team ready to assist with any inquiries or troubleshooting needs. Overall, the Generac 18 kilowatts home standby generator is an excellent investment for homeowners seeking a dependable and efficient backup power source, combining advanced technology with practical functionality.